Welcome again to another segment of my tutorial video. On this video, I'll be teaching you on how to use conditional formatting in Excel. Now, conditional formatting helps to change the appearance of cells in Microsoft Excel. Conditional formatting is used to change the appearance of cells in a range based on your specified conditions. These conditions are rules based on specified numerical values or matching tests. Now, we are going to be doing some examples relating to conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. And the first one we are going to be working on is the duplicate cells or duplicate figures or text in the Excel sheet. Now, how do you do that? The first step is for you to highlight the range of cells. And the second thing you are going to do is to click on conditional formatting, or you click on home, click on conditional formatting, click highlight cells rules, then click on duplicate values. Now you can see that even without typing anything, it has already highlighted all the duplicate cells. So just for you to click, you can decide to change the color if you wish. You can decide to change the color. For this one, I'm not going to change it. You click OK. Now all the cells are highlighted that are being duplicated. Now that thing I'm going to be teaching you is on conditional formatting is this. So I'm going to be teaching you the greater than, less than, between, equal to. They are all the same procedure. So remember the first thing you are going to do. The first thing you are going to do is to highlight the cells. Click conditional formatting, click highlight cells rules. Now I'm going to be using greater than. Now I'll click on it. I want the cells, the one that will be highlighted. I want the one below, the one greater than 200,000 to be highlighted, or let me say the one that is greater than 300,000 to be highlighted. As you can see, click OK. Now check, you find out that the ones that are highlighted are above 300,000. Now this is the way to use conditional formatting for greater than, lesser than, and so on and so forth. The next one I'm going to be teaching you now is this: top bottom rules. So we have top 10 items, top 10%, bottom 10 items, bottom 10 percentage, above average, below average. Now, like I said earlier, whatever method or rules you are using for the first one, you're still going to use for others. Now, what are we going to do? Remember what to do. The first step is to highlight the cell range. Then you click on conditional formatting. Now, this particular one, I'm going to be using only this cell. I'm using this column. Now, click on my conditional formatting. Click on top. Now, top 10 items. What are the top 10? You're going to highlight the top 10 items. So, as you can see, the top 10 items have been highlighted, excluding this and this. These two, they are the least on that column. So that's how to use top 10. So same goes to others. If you want to use for top 10 percentage, bottom 10 items and all that. Now the next one I'm going to be teaching you is data bars. Now data bars and color scales, they are almost the same. They help you to monitor the arithmetic progression of your calculation or your profits. Now, how do we go about that? Remember the first step, you highlight the cells. You click on conditional formatting, go to your data bars. So you can choose whichever way or whichever one you want to use. We have the gradient field, then we have the solid field. So it's now left for you to choose. Now when you click on it, as you can see, it helps to check the progression of the profit. So that's how to use the arithmetic data bar. You can also go for the color scales as well. The color scales, when you click on it, as you can see, okay, let me first of all undo this. Then you click on the color scales. You find out that the color changes. Now, as the figures are increasing, the color also changes from red to green. So that's how to use the color scales. Now, this one with the icon set, they're almost the same thing as well. I want to undo this one. When you click on it, click on the icon set. So you are the one to make choices. And the reason why it's showing this hashtag is as a result of the space is not big enough. So you can expand it. Now this one helps to tell you if you are progressing or not. You can see the direction of the arrows. Some are going up, going down, some are going horizontal. So this one is to indicate that, oh, you are making progress. You made a lot of profits, while the other one is telling you that your profit is not enough. Now let me use this one as a case study. You see this one, $730,000. You can see it's up. You can see this one down, very low. This one is what? Diagonal. Likewise, these three are diagonal. This one is down. So this one helps you to monitor your progress. So that's for that. Undo. Now the next one is this. Okay, let me bring it back. Now the next one, before I will teach you this new rule, I want to show you something. Now these clear rules from selected cell. Now I want to select a particular cells. I want to select this cell. And when you click on clear rules for selected cell, it will only remove the rules or remove that conditional formatting for the cells you selected. I want to click on it. You can see others are still there. Now, if you decide to use clear rules from entire sheet, then it's going to remove everything. Let me click on it. You can see. So that's how to do that. Now, if you click on manage rules helps to checkmate all the conditional formatting you have done for that particular sheet. Now, I want to click on this one. As you can see, okay. Now, all the rules, all the conditional formatting you have done for that particular worksheet, now they will display here. That's what it means, manage. That's what this one means, manage rules. Now talking about new rules. Now this new rule simply means you will be the one to determine the particular rule for that data or that data set range, or that for that particular Microsoft worksheet. You are the one specifying the rule for that particular one. So as time goes on, I'm going to be teaching you some of the rules. Or go to my previous video. We have one of for dynamic search bar. That one I had a new rule there. So you can actually check that one, or you can check the one for search bar, or you can check one for automated register. So probably on next video, I'll be teaching you on how to set some rules for other worksheet environment. If there's any questions, you can use my comment section.